The Google Pixel 8a's official announcement is still more than 10 days away. And yet, we're now at the stage where we're seeing at least one leak regarding it each and every day. Today's leak seems to basically be the Google website listing for the Pixel 8a, obviously prepared in advance for the launch. When you buy a Pixel 8a, you'll receive 3 months of YouTube Premium, 6 months of Fitbit Premium, and 3 months of Google One's 100GB plan for free. New report tells us expect price the Pixel 8a to go for $499 with 128GB of storage and $599 with 256GB. Few weeks a new leak arrives to show us real-life image and hands-on video showing Pixel 8a come with black, white, blue, and mint. The Pixel 8a will feature a 6.1-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate. The Pixel 8a's screen will have 1400 nits of peak HDR brightness. It will be powered by the Tensor G3 chipset just like the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. It will become with 8GB of RAM and boots Android 14. We also expect to see it get Google's same 7-year OS upgrade promise. It managed 1,218 single-core score and a 3,175 multi-core performance. Pixel 8a may get same 64-megapixel main sensor as the Pixel 7a, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and 13-megapixel selfie camera. It's powered by 4,500 mAh battery with 27W charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.